1, 2, 3. Did you see him roll?
Record now?
Yeah, record. Going?
Yep.
All right.
Go!
Do that again.
Okay, ready, Mark.
You ready to do that again?
Wait.
Is there like a light here, like the night light thingy that turns on when it's like night?
Yeah.
It's like too dark.
Too
You
dark.
got snow pants on. That's no fair.
Hey.
That's the light.
You gotta roll down your neck. We do it that way.
Might have to go on that side.
Excuse me, Adam. Okay,
Get your head on right. Get your hat on right.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Okay, you gotta tie it up underneath your chin so you don't lose it?
No.
Huh?
No.
You sure?
Sir.
Okay.
There he goes.
You ready? Oh, you don't want to do that. You get it all up in your ears. You really get cold.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Hold on tight.
Please lay it backwards. Please lay it backwards.
I'm a face plant. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
How'd that work?
It was good.
All right.
Got it.
Good job.
And then you did a face plant anyway.
Okay, wait. I gotta get. Wait for me. Wait for me.
Where are you going?
Here, hold this for a second.
Fran, you can't do that like Adam
I
can.
know. I see that.
You're gonna fill up your boots with snow.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not as strong as Mark. Oh my God, you're heavy.
What?
What?
Okay.
I can't do it.
Somebody throw me, Mark.
Huh?
I like you throwing me.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. You want to have a snowball fight?
Yeah.
I'm ready. Come on over.
How do you?
I think I'd win. I'm pretty sure I'd win.
Come on, Adam.
All right. Right here.
I'll see. Oh, that's fun.
Gonna find the perfect grip.
Fun.
Huh?